Do you often feel pain in your knees, shoulders, or back? Joint pain can happen in one part of the body or in several at the same time. This is because a joint is the place where two or more bones meet. That is why pain can appear in the back, shoulders, arms, wrists, legs, or ankles. Today we will show you how to make a simple homemade balm with rosemary and bay leaves. This natural recipe may help with joint discomfort, bone pain, and cartilage problems. For the ingredients you will need: 1 tablespoon of chopped bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Fresh or dried 200 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil first. Wash the rosemary well. Then place it in a pan with the chopped bay leaves and the olive oil. Cook the mixture in a water bath for about 30 minutes while stirring now and then. After that, let it rest for 20 minutes. Strain the contents and store the oil in a clean glass jar with a lid. Apply this balm to the sore joints every night before going to bed. With regular use, it may bring comfort and help reduce pain naturally. The main ingredient of this recipe is the rosemary. This herb has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe aching joints and muscles. It also improves blood circulation, which can speed up the healing process. The bay leaf contains compounds that have been shown to relieve pain and inflammation. It is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents such as flavonoids and phenolic acids. On the other hand, olive oil is a great moisturizer that can help keep the skin healthy and hydrated. It is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's see some of the benefits of each ingredient. Rosemary's been used for centuries to treat joint pain, muscle pain, stiffness, and inflammation. It is also effective in relieving menstrual cramps and toothaches. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary can help reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, such as tumor necrosis factor alpha and interleukin-6. These cytokines are responsible for causing pain and inflammation in the body. By reducing their production, rosemary can alleviate joint pain and other types of aches. Moreover, rosemary essential oil has been found to relax smooth muscles, which can improve blood circulation and reduce swelling in the affected area. This can help deliver nutrients and oxygen to the joints and promote healing. Bay leaves contain a compound called camphor, which has been traditionally used to relieve pain and inflammation. Camphor works by blocking the activity of cyclooxygenase, an enzyme that produces prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are hormone-like substances that cause pain and inflammation. By inhibiting their production, camphor can alleviate joint pain and other types of discomfort. In addition, bay leaf extract has been found to inhibit the release of histamine, a chemical that causes inflammation and pain. By reducing the release of histamine, bay leaf extract can help calm down the immune system and alleviate joint pain. If you want to relieve joint pain and other types of aches and discomfort, try applying this homemade balm with rosemary and bay leaves every night before going to bed. With regular use, it may help reduce pain naturally. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Till next time, stay healthy and pain-free.